mirrored eyes, I want them. How your legs like to shine, I can see them. Your smile floods the street like a wild child. I hear your heart as it beats to your own style. You've been locked up for days and that's just not right. I wanna steal you away, show you the nightlife. I know it would be easy, cause I'm feeling tired and wheezy, and the road, it seems much smoother with you.
Now we've come back to this little oval area that's got sort of a road going around it, so I could do a bit of practice. We came here a couple of days ago as well, and a couple of days ago I learnt to turn around at each end. There's a little bit of a turning point, so which I was delighted about. And then I got back today, I'm thinking, oh, am I going to be confident enough to do that again, or am I going to have to turn the bike around manually? But I got that quite well in the end, and slightly tighter turns, which was good. Remembering to turn my head a bit more relaxed, because actually I was looking around me a little bit more, trying to get sort of an idea of vision around me. And you know, you get a couple of cars that come in here, so you have to be aware of that. So I've just, every time I'm turning at the end, I'm looking, making sure that nobody's in my way. So that's coming to me quite well. I found another little turnaround point at the bottom of quite a steep hill, which I tried twice. The first time I stalled the bike, I just didn't have enough revs. The second time the line was all wrong, and I just ended up stopping it because I knew I'd end up in a tree. So after that, Neil sort of gave me a little bit of a lesson and showed me around that. So next time I come, I'll do that too. And then trying to do a little bit of weaving too. Look, I'm getting more confident. The bike, strangely enough, doesn't feel as heavy as it did originally. When I thought, oh my goodness, it's so heavy, I can barely push it. But now it doesn't feel like that at all. It feels like it's all manageable for me. I must remember though, next time I put my helmet on, is to take my earrings out, because the back of my earring was stabbing my head, which was very uncomfortable. So I'll remember to do that next time. But so far so good, still enjoying it, really excited. Catch you all later.
She's got a motorcycle, a big bad motorcycle. She knows how much I like it, she won't let me ride it. She's got a motorcycle, it looks so damn delightful. She knows how much I like it, she keeps trying to hide it. Why am I out of luck? Cause I've seen others fill you up. On your motorcycle, your big bad motorcycle. You know how much I like it, why won't you let me ride it? I'll be around after dark, like a silhouette. I'll need the keys to your heart, cause I ain't touched it yet. I know you feel insecure, a little rusty. You could have so much more if you just trust me. You've been locked up for days and that's just not right. I'm about to steal you away, show you the nightlife. Although it wasn't easy, now it's all so breezy. Yeah, I'm loving every mile with you. I've got a motorcycle, a big bad motorcycle. I know how much you like it, but you can't ride it. I've got a motorcycle, I know I took the Michael. It feels so damn delightful, I just can't hide it. Oh, you're out of luck. I knew one day I'd feel you up. On my motorcycle, my big bad motorcycle. I know how much you like it, but I won't let you ride it. Then I woke up from the most beautiful of daydreams. A fairy tale, a fantasy, just waved its last goodbye to me. She's got a motorcycle, a